Okay everyone, so let us suppose that we have to perform the C program. The basic program is hello. So first of all I will go to the start menu and I will start with the Turbo C. Okay, once your Turbo C will start, first of all you have to go to the file and go to the new. Now you can see that new program is there. There is new window where we can write the new program, that is nemio.cpp. CPP means C++. So by default your extension will be C++, but you will go to the file menu and you will save this program, or you can say it is save as, it's your choice, and you will simply write hello.c. So hello is the name of program and C is your extension. .c means this is a C programming file and this is showing the path C drive, turbo C3, then bin hello.c. So you can find this file in your PC as well. Okay, overwrite, yes. If there is already file exist in your system, that will be overwritten. So hello.c is the name of file on which we will do the coding. As you know that void main is the main function in which we will write the code. Okay, and anything you will write over there, compiler will read it. Now I am going to use a print function which is printf hello. So whenever you want to write on the screen, you will write this printf function, and inside that printf function whatever you will write in the double quotes, that will be displayed on the screen. Printf is your inbuilt function, and to take this inbuilt function we use the library which is hash include stdio.h. stdio means standard input output header file. So when I will press Ctrl F9, this program will compile. If I press Alt F5, now you can see that this hello is printed on the screen. Now there are two steps which I am following. One is Ctrl F9 and second one is Alt F5. So once you press Ctrl F9, your program is compiled and output is there on the output window, but we cannot see the output window. To see the output window, we press Alt F5. So there is a method or the function that is getch, which is called get character. If I write this function, then our screen will hold after compiling. And this getch function is the part of library hash include conio.h. So now if I press Ctrl F9, you see hello is coming and screen is hold, right? There is no need to press Alt F5 because getch function will hold the screen. Now there is one more problem which I can find. There are two times hello which are there, means earlier program output and new program output. Both are present. Now there is one more method which I can write, that is called CLR that is clear screen method, which is again part of your conio.h, which is console input output header file. Now this will first clear the screen. If I press Ctrl F9 now, so screen is cleared and you can see that hello message is showing. So that is all about our first program.